Welcome to Bird Paradise. Over here we have 8 large box aviaries, each representing different habitats from around the world. To help you enjoy your stay, we have some aviary do's and don'ts. So keep at least 1 meter away from the birds and don't chase or corner the birds. Don't touch the birds. If they land on you, let them hop off at the nearest railing. If you need any assistance, then call up to any of our keepers. So early morning and late afternoon are the best time to take photos of our birds. Do not place the camera or phone too close to our birds, and always keep a safe distance when taking photographs. Keep your shiny objects such as your jewelry, keys, and coins. Don't feed our birds with your food. Join our official feeding program instead. We hope that this has been helpful for you to enjoy a greater appreciation for the wonderful wildlife around us. Have a great day ahead at Bird Paradise. See you around!
Microraptors and velociraptors. We live among the descendants of dinosaurs. The killing claw of a velociraptor. The talons of birds of prey. Top of the food chain. The ultimate predator. Eagles, hawks, owls, vultures, rulers of the skies, hunters, and masters of flight. Welcome to Predators on Wings.
Well, thank you, and hello everyone, hi! And a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Right, so nice to see all of you out here today. So, how is everyone feeling this afternoon? Everyone feeling good, yes? Alright, that's nice to hear. Now, by the way, my name is Jamaica, and that is my buddy Shaw. So we are Raptor Rangers, and together our team is passionate about understanding and protecting birds of prey.
And as Raptor Rangers, we conduct rescue and release efforts. We also help to take care of the birds here. And today we are going to introduce to you some of our favorite predators on wing.
Now, with that said, let us all begin by doing story. Now, did you hear that?
Yes, I do. That's very familiar, but I don't see anything. Where's it coming from?
I don't see this.
Well, everyone, meet Nelson, our white-bellied sea eagle. I think we found in Southeast Asia, and one of the few raptors is caught right here in Singapore.
And these birds, they have rough undersides on their feet, which allows them to grip onto slippery and struggling prey, like fish or even snakes. And in fact, these birds, they specialize in hunting for venomous snakes.
Well, speaking of sea snakes, I have a record of such prey right here with me. And keep your eyes on Nelson. And here he comes! Diving in! Whoa!
Now that was a truly incredible catch, but it was also really, really quick. So for those of you who missed it, not to worry, we have a replay. Take a look. And that's how it's done. How about another round of applause for Nelson and the white-bellied sea eagle.
A fantastic demonstration there by Nelson. Of course, that is why the white-bellied sea eagle is one of my favorite birds of prey to spot in the skies of Singapore.
Well, but Shaw, I must tell you, there's another raptor that we can all probably find in Singapore as well. And that bird is actually the brown kite. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, let's all say hello to Rhino! But would you all like to see it one more time? Yes or no? I don't think so. Let's run it one more time. Yes or no? Alright. Okay, brother. Here he comes. Everyone, up it goes. You can! The brown guys are actually medium-sized raptors, but don't let their size fool you. Like these birds, they are more than capable of stealing and snatching prey away from a bird as big as the white-bellied seabird. And like I mentioned, these are local raptors, so while walking around our parks, you'll get to look up. Just might be lucky enough to spot some of them flying around. And this is what they look like in the size. The one on the left is the white-bellied sea eagle, and the right, the brown kite.
And it's easy to spot the differences between these two birds. The size is obvious, but there is also the coloration and even the shape of their wings. For example, the white-bellied sea eagle has a V-shaped wing with a wedge-shaped tail.
Now, the brown kites, on the other hand, they have M-shaped wings and a U-shaped tail. And of course, they are a lot more brownish than the other.
That's right, now speaking of raptors leaves in Detroit each year, about 2 million raptors migrate during the winter from their breeding grounds in Europe and Asia, flying to as far as Africa. Now it is a perilous journey, and thousands never make it to their destination.
Now, many around the world are being killed for sport, and we will need your help to save and protect these birds, for our skies will soon be empty.
Indeed, birds are vital to the health of our planet. They remove all sick animals and get rid of pests. Now, one bird in particular helped us very well with pest control. Now, that bird is none other than the owl. Hello there. Nice to see you, everyone. I would like you to meet Eclipse of a ladyfish owl, another local species found right here in the Silkbush. And the movements that these birds hunt for, never hear them coming, because owls are masters of silence.
Well, speaking of silence, guys, we will be having one more hour joining us on stage, but in order for that to happen, I need everyone to please remain seated and be as quiet as possible. And here he comes. I'm sure none of you heard everything on this flight down. Very big surprise, isn't it? Oh, by the way, this is Latte, another Malayfish owl. So nice to join us on stage. Right, like I mentioned, they have silence, and that is because owls, they have very soft edges at the tip of their feathers, which helps them to alter air turbulence and even absorb noise, making their flight as quiet as whisper. But not only that, owls also have excellent eyesight. In fact, they have binocular vision just like us.
There's something about eyes, the colors of their eyes tell us when they tend to hunt. The owls with yellow colored eyes like latte bellied lips, they hunt during the day. The orange eyes, which they like to hunt during sunrise and sunset. How about owls with black eyes? Well, they love to hunt during the time.
Well, so I have another fun fact about owls. Did you know that an owl can turn their heads all the way to the back?
That's right.
Right. Does anyone here know how many degrees can they actually turn your heads? Anyone who's going to shout it out? I heard 180 somewhere. Any other answers? 360, okay? One more. 270, okay, so many answers. I'm going to list them down. If you think it's the correct answer, you put up your hands, alright? So, who here thinks it's 180? Okay, a few of you. How about 270? Wow, so many hands. Okay, last but not least, 360. Okay, so what is the correct answer? It's actually
270 degrees.
That's right, because I'm really close, well done. Now let me tell you why, right? 180 is actually what you and I can do, so everyone take a look to your left, and all the way to your right, that is 180 degrees. 70 is just a little more to the back. Now 360 degrees, that is a full circle, and if an alone was to do that, it was straight as that. And we don't want that happening, right? Oh, you know what? I think it's time for our lovely hours being like, oh, everyone wave and say bye-bye! So far we've all seen some very amazing bits of prey from Asia, and right now let's meet some very charismatic bits from the Americans. You all are going, and here comes Susie, our American Bald Eagle! Now Susie is a true veteran, she's actually 32 years old, and she has been with us for more than 26 years, making her a truly beloved member of the Mandai family.
That's right, in due for work parts like this, animals tend to live a lot longer than they usually do in the wild, which means they will retire after being with us for many years.
So, right here at the paradise, when our raptors retire, they actually would move in to our very large and sheltered raptor retirement aviary. So whether old or young, all our birds, they deserve to get a good and healthy environment, nice diet, as well as the best care possible.
That's right, and of course, talking about best care next will be one of our stars, will be eye drop to Susie. Well, this is because she has cataract in her left eye, and the eye drop is to ease the swelling.
Now next up, this is actually Ethan, our brownie kite, one of the stars from the previous Jurong Bird Park. And right now she's being hand-fed, and that's because she is partially blind, so we are helping her out. Now you see all our raptors, even when retired, they love to be mentally stimulated and socialize. That's why Susie is right up here to join all of them.
And I believe this time for her to check into the team of screeners and beds. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get up for Susie, America's Bald Eagle.
Also, now we have all seen some very impressive flight maneuvers. But what if I were to tell you, some birds of prey actually prefer to take a stroll on the forest ground instead of flying. Shao is setting up the stage, getting ready for our next bird. He looks like a falcon with sharp beak and talons, but also behaves like a vulture. Alright, so Shao, is the stage all set and ready?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so from the South and Central America, ladies and gentlemen, here comes Raul, our Southern President, Karakara. Good afternoon, Raul. The stage is all yours.
Oh, this is an unusual bird of prey. First, to stay on the forest ground in search of your prey hiding underneath. Well, these birds have long legs and black claws, which allows them to roll on the rocks, flip over tree barks, and suicide cheats and dry leaf in search of worms and insects. Not only that, they sometimes break nets and steal food from other birds. But what if the insect that they will forage decides to take off and escape? Perhaps fly away. Well, the Karakaras are known to make vertical flights to chase them just like this.
Wow, not impressive at all. Show you some vertical flying.
Okay, then higher. Then we're already 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Awesome. Well done.
Okay, you know what? It's only fair that the people on the side get to have a look as well.
Okay.
All the way right here, right? Okay, are you ready on the count of 3? Okay, hold on. 3, okay? 1, 2, and 3. All the way up there. Good, very nicely done. Okay, Raul, we've done an amazing job telling for you to take that photo. Let's give him a big hand roll. I was so impressed. Like you mentioned, Karakara sometimes feeds on carrion as well, but of course they are not strong enough to open up large carcasses like the one right over there. So they will need the help of bigger bird friends, or bird friends like vultures. The vultures are one of the world's most commonly misunderstood birds. When you see them on TV, vultures are often portrayed as evil birds, circling around the skies with ominous music and the sense of impending doom. Well, we are going to tell you the real story.
Vultures are nature's cleanup crew. They use columns of air to fly and glide as they search for big animals. Using their sense of sight and smell. The vultures help to prevent the spread of contagious diseases.
But without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes right up there and let's welcome Zena of the Turkey Vulture.
That means if there is a big animal, Turkey vulture is the first one on the scene, and other vultures will follow suit to the hard work of ripping apart the top part of the big animal.
Now, another fun fact about turkey vultures is that they have really acidic stomach acid. Right? It is as strong as hard batteries, almost 0 pH level, which will help them to digest carrion very, very well. And that's why Zena has done a wonderful job at this time for her to get back home to her children. Everyone, let's give her a big hand, Zena, our turkey vulture. Now, our next scavenger is also from the Americas. According to the old Mayan legends, these birds were seen as messenger between humans and gods, presenting them the title king. Now, these birds, they are one of the only few vultures in the group with multicolored heads and light-colored eyes.
And joining us on stage, we have an experienced senior trainer, Station. He's holding on to a tool similar to what Joey and I are holding on to. This simple tool is called a target stick. The tool used by animal trainers to guide and direct animals by pointing to the positioning that they want them to be. It looks like our trainers all set and ready to.
So everyone, let us all welcome our magnificent King Vulture from Cowboys.
King Vulture.
Soaring high at altitudes of up to 8,000 feet, the King Vulture brings other vultures in the sky. The King Vulture is one of the world's largest scavenger, and it has powerful beak which helps to rip, pull, and even turn away carcasses of a medium-sized animal. The other vultures will make way for the King, but they can get to the parts of the carcass other vultures cannot.
You know what, I think King Vultures are one of the most impressive of their kind as well, and I think we'll call this here as showcase why they are truly deserving of the title King. And it's time for him to get back to his kingdom. Everyone, let's give him a big hand and call this our magnificent King Vulture. All the way back, we'll see you later. Bye. Alright, everyone, keep your eyes on the big screen. And take a look at this very chaotic scene. Lots of greedy birds competing for food and stripping the large carcass right down to its bone. Well, to me, this seems like a very disorganized feeding frenzy.
Don't forget, vultures are social species and they respect the place in the pecking order. So when vultures gather, there is a feeding protocol.
Well, with that said, let's meet the very next guest at the feast. Here comes our African white-backed vulture. Now, these are the middleweight who feeds on the flesh and organs of their carcass. They are social and gets very aggressive. About a group of 100 African white-backed vultures can shoot a large carcass right down to its bones in less than 10 minutes. But once widely found in Africa, these birds are right now critically endangered.
And the next cause is the ligaments and hide of the animal. Enter the Cineris vulture. The heavyweight from Europe. Unlike other vultures, these birds are solitary except when they mate and have chicks. And they prefer to feed on the carcass in a smaller group. Our male right back there has his four ripping feet with sharp talons. And it could be chunks to rip apart the top part of the animal, eating chunks of flesh.
Check out his huge wings as a menacing walk as he makes his way to the front of the stage. Check that out. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, before we have two more scavengers joining us on stage. If you're all set and ready, keep your eyes right up there. These birds have never like beaks and is third or many.
Although they're obnoxious, they're able to cooperate and coexist well with others, especially during the big feast. So, ladies and gentlemen, about 11 species of vultures in Africa, clean up to 70% of the continent's carrion. Now, we would all be in a lot of trouble without vultures. Isn't that right, Joe?
But that is very true, Charles. But unfortunately, we are losing these amazing birds around the world at an alarming rate due to various reasons caused by human activities like poaching, deliberate poisoning, electrocution, and even superstitious beliefs. Many of these birds are right now critically endangered, and your conservation efforts will be the only way we can save them from extinction. They do their part in helping us keep our environment safe and clean. I think they deserve a lot more appreciation than that, right? So can we all please take this moment and give them a louder round of applause?
Well, today we met raptors and scavengers. Well, these kings of the skies and walkers of our earth are a part of our ecosystem, part of our planet. But if we lose them, we lose a part of our family.
So everyone, let us all learn to do our part. Let us all learn to live in harmony with all predators on radio.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming down to our presentation, and now allow me to share with you our next program happening right here at Sky Amphitheatre. Now, if you're keen to watch hornbills, macaws, parrots, or even palicans, a totally different program, well, do head back over the Wings of the World happening at 5 p.m. Alright, so don't miss that. Wings of the World happening right here at 5 p.m. Right, ladies and gentlemen, you have been a great audience. I hope you enjoy your day right here in Wet Paradise. Thank you and goodbye.
Wala, dimakan bersih, enggak dibelang lagi. Enggak dibelang.